Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce using tomato paste. Start by sautéing garlic and onion in olive oil until translucent, then add tomato paste and cook until it darkens slightly. Deglaze with 1 cup of stock or water, stir in herbs, a pinch of sugar, and simmer gently for balance. Adjust salt and acidity, finish with a pat of butter or olive oil for smoothness and shine. Warm and conversational, here are simple flavor ideas to uplift your sauce. Always brown the tomato paste well to unlock rich, umami notes, and deglaze with stock for extra body. Use herbs like basil or oregano toward the end to keep freshness, and consider a small pinch of sugar for balancing acidity. For a velvety finish, whisk in a tablespoon of butter or a splash of good olive oil right before serving. On another note, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep sharing simple kitchen wins. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They last through long kitchen shifts and endless dish duty. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Think about texture and timeliness when making sauce. Simmer gently and add liquid gradually until you reach the consistency you like, whether for pasta, pizza, or a stew. Let the sauce cool before storing in airtight containers to lock in flavor and safety. Portion into freezer-safe bags or jars so you can thaw single servings quickly, and label with the date for easy rotation and meal planning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.